What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back.
So today I will be giving you guys a resort tour of the RIU Palace in Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Once again, we are celebrating Miss Manny.
Hey.
And her 27th birthday.
Whoop whoop.
You wanted to say something else, didn't you? Without further ado, we'll just give you a resort walkthrough. One note is that right next door is the RIU Guanacaste Resort. So that one is a separate one from ours, but we will walk through some of the shops and things over there. When you stay at the RIU Palace, you do have access to the RIU Guanacaste and their amenities as well. So just a note for that. But yeah,
It's not vice versa.
Exactly, but it's not vice versa. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. All right, so this is the entrance when you come in. All the shuttles are picking up people. Just a note that we did visit in December, so that's why you will be seeing some Christmas decorations throughout. This is the main lobby, and then to the right, this first is a help desk, but this is where you will check in with reception. On the opposite side to the left is one of the restaurants. This is the Lanfora restaurant, and they have Italian cuisine, and it's only open for dinner. How would you rate the food that we had here yesterday?
So I'm not really picky. I eat anything, just to let you know. But I think that the food was decent. They have like a buffet style for the appetizers. So that was good. And I feel like, the ravioli was good, but it did taste a little freezer burn. But it wasn't bad. It wasn't terrible.
Right? I would give it probably a 7. Yeah,
Say 7.
same. All right. If you keep walking, there's a jewelry store that is inside of the resort. And then beside that is one of the bars.
This whole thing is a large size tequila shot.
I didn't know where you were going with that at first. Just kidding. That is water. But I was like, what are you doing? Across from the daiquiri bar is cappuccino, and this is kind of like a little coffee bakery shop. And there's a great view, which we will take you guys out there. But it is just stunning. Like, I love this view. I love the layout of this resort. But yeah, we'll take you out there in a minute. So over here is Lounge 24.
That's a snack bar.
And they should have little lunch snacks like nachos, things like that. And on both sides, you'll see there are openings which allow you to get to some rooms in the hallways with the elevators. But instead, we are actually going to walk downstairs and take you guys to see the rest of the resort. And then I will insert our room tour just for your, knowledge. All right, so back this way. This is kind of the main steps of the resort to get to floor 0. Elevators are very small, so that's something to keep in mind. You might have to split up your family. I'm just kidding. All right. That's okay. Thank you. And just look at this. Gorgeous. And then at night they have these lit up, where they have kind of the arches lit up and the trees. It's just super, super pretty. So once you come out, before going to the pool, we'll turn left just to quickly show you. I'm not gonna walk through, but 2 of the restaurants are over here. So first you have the restaurant Tokyo, and they have Asian or Japanese cuisine. We ate here our first night, and the food was just okay. We'd say, yeah. But they do have that as an option, and it's only open for dinner. And to the right of that, this is where the buffet is, where you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the arena. All right, so then if you were to come out of that doorway and turn right, over here is where you will find pretty much the main stage where they do all of the shows, and then also the excursion desk. Here they will normally post a picture of what the night's show is, but to the right of that is the Crystal Restaurant. As you can see, just a variety of different things: short ribs, fillets, things of that nature. All right, and then when you keep walking, there's 2 bars here by the main stage and also by the stage where they do the live music at night. This is where they will do live music at night. It varies, different bands each day. They have some covered seating over there, but then everything is pretty much open. And then right in front of that is the main stage. So this is where they do the bigger night shows that are normally around like 4 p.m. I also saw they were doing some kids activities on this stage. They'll do bingo over here, you know, just making use of the space. But as you can see, these are all of the excursion desks. This is where you would go to confirm your transfer home and also book any excursions for your stay. And then this is one of the other bars called Melody. Just to quickly show you guys, once you walk through here, down this hallway you will see access to some bathrooms if you need to use the bathroom during the shows. But then there's also rooms to your left, and the right would be your elevators. So there's signs across the entire resort, so it's pretty easy to find things. It's not a massive resort, so you won't get lost. But our room is down there, down this hallway. I'll just quickly show you guys what the rooms look like on the outside. You'll find your room number here, and then it's, you know, a smaller hallway and your room door. So I'll insert our room tour here for you guys to see what our room looked like. So this was our room. They had it decorated for Savannah's birthday. When you walk in to the right, it's pretty much an open floor plan, so there is no door to the actual bathroom. It's connected, so keep that in mind when you book. But the beds were connected at first. We just had them come and separate them. So this can fit more than just, you know, one king bed, as you can see there. And then we had a balcony which had a view of kind of the lush landscaping and then a slight peek of the pool. There's also some seating, as you can see, and they had some alcohol on tap if that's what you're into, and that door back there is the toilet. All right, now heading back this way, we'll head over to the pool and the beach. One thing I'll say about RIU is from the other RIU that I stayed at too, their landscaping is always super, super nice. I love how they upkeep the resort. It always looks very clean and just, you know, intentional with the bushes and things like that. So, go RIU! This is the main pool. I will say seating is pretty hard to find, like open chairs. So just keep that in mind. It isn't like a rental type of thing. You just first come, first serve. And this is one of the second pools, and it has the pool volleyball. So over here is one of the pools that has a swim up bar, and you can also access the bar outside of the pool on the opposite end.
Hello friends, good morning. All the star one activities of the morning. The name is Beans Bad Tulsi. All the star in 2 minutes. Come on.
What is it?
Come on, vamos acercándonos al área de sonido, all the speaking area.
So over there is where you will pick up your towels. They give you a little card and you swap it for a towel. And over here is another pool and additional seating. It's the opposite side of the bar. And then to the left is the RIU art, where you can create your own souvenir. Look at this view with all of the mountains, you get the ocean, it's just gorgeous. And then down here is the RIU Fit and the RIU Art. And then down here is the beach. I haven't seen a whole lot of people just going out on the beach just yet, but we'll probably check it out at some point. Right by the pool that has the basketball hoops. Over here is a restaurant that's technically, I guess, beachfront. The Papagayo. Is the steakhouse, and it is open for both lunch and dinner. And then right beside that is RIU Land for the little kids.
So now that I pretty much showed you guys all of the pools, the bars, and restaurants on the main side of the resort, I'm going to take you on the back side that has a walkway to the other resort and some other amenities.
Down this hallway where we originally showed you earlier was by our room. You'll see this is the way to get to the spa and the gym, and there's also a discoteca.
And just as we're walking there, to quickly tell you guys, I didn't include the actual walkway to the splash park that's available at the other resort, but I'll insert a clip of just what it looks like because we did visit it. They also apparently have a casino. I didn't see it with my own eyes, but I did see it on the sign as an option for the RIU Guanacaste resort. So definitely look into that if that is what you're into, especially because staying at the RIU Palace, you have access to those amenities.
Here is the spa. Then you can see the discoteca. And this is a road between both of the RIU locations. So that is the RIU Guanacaste right over there. And this is ours. And over there is the discoteca. I think they're pretty much open every night except for Mondays, they said. But you do have to pay for the drinks and liquor additionally there. It is not included. But yep, stores. Super cute walkable area. Alright you guys, so that concluded the tour. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you would stay here or if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and turn on your post notifications to be updated every time I upload. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!